In Adventure Bay, where skies are blue, lives a team who helps, yes, that is true. Led by Ryder, brave and smart, each pup plays a special part. PAW Patrol is on a roll, they say, ready to save the day, come what may. With wagging tails and spirits high, they zoom ahead, they leap, they fly. Chase the police, pup leads the crew in his blue truck, strong and true. Chase is on the case, he cries, keeping watch with sharp, brave eyes. Marshall the firefighter, clumsy but sweet, with a red fire truck and paws so fleet. I'm fired up, he shouts with cheer, even if he slips, no need to fear. Skye takes to the sky so high, in her pink copter she loves to fly. This pup's gotta fly, she beams, floating gently like in dreams. Rubble digs with all his might, a yellow bulldozer strong and bright. Rubble on the double, he'll say, moving rocks and saving the day. Rocky is clever, he loves to reuse, fixing up things with tools he can choose. Don't lose it, reuse it is his way, helping the planet every day. Zuma rides the waves with glee in his hovercraft out at sea. Let's dive in, he barks with pride, splashing along the ocean tide. Everest joins from snowy peaks, helping friends when trouble sneaks. Ice or snow, I'm ready to go, brave and cool in the winter glow. No job too big, no pup too small, when someone needs help, they answer the call. From lost kittens to trains off track, the PAW Patrol always has your back. They work as a team, they